This video will demonstrate the installation of a shower pan base with traditional wall tile. Before starting the project, review the complete installation guide and reference for more details. Validate your shower measurements and compatibility. Observe local building and plumbing codes. Contact customer service for questions and assistance. Call CASTICO customer service at 1-844-364-2502 and we will address your needs immediately. CASTICO shower pan bases are sold in multiple sizes and drain configurations. The installation process demonstrated in this video is applicable to the following models. Validate your drain location to select the right model for your application. In this video, we will guide you in your shower renovation project and show you how to go from your existing standard 60-inch bathtub, acrylic shower enclosure, tile shower with high walk-in curb, to this CASTICO shower pan base in a few hours. To achieve this look, you will need a shower pan base with traditional wall tile. This video will demonstrate the installation of 32-inch by 60-inch left and right drain graphite slate shower pan base. You may tackle this project with the help of a professional remodeler. If plumbing work is required, always work with a licensed professional. Remove your existing shower unit and shower head, faucet, and underlayment. Start the project with a clean surface area. Install additional studs for shower doors and accessories if required. Validate your shower area by checking measurements, floor level, and square. When measuring the shower space, consider the dimension of the shower pan base and the waterproofing flange on the area measurements. Make adjustments as necessary. Regardless of whether your shower subfloor consists of wood or concrete, if it is not leveled, use floor leveling materials such as a liquid leveler or thin-set mortar to achieve a leveled surface. Your plumber has completed a rough-in installation consisting of your shower faucet location, the shower head at the preferred height, as well as validating that your drain location matches your shower pan base model's drain location. If the drain location does not match, plumbing work will be required. The first half of the drain must be installed before setting the shower pan base. CASTICO shower pans are pre-sloped to drain and require a level subfloor to ensure proper water drainage. You may use a moisture-proof drywall or backer board to prepare the area for this installation. This video will show backer board application. Make sure to install the backer board by covering the wall stud area. Ensure all seams are sealed using waterproofing tape. Once the area is prepared, continue with the CASTICO shower pan base installation. Validate your packaged contents are complete. Packaged contents consist of a shower pan base, a decorative drain plate, and waterproofing flange kit. Keep the package box to reuse and protect the shower base during shower wall installation. CASTICO shower pan bases are made to fit standard size spaces and generally do not require trimming. However, you may use a tile saw to trim a maximum of 1 1/2 inch in width and 1 1/2 inch in length per side if necessary. Continue with the waterproofing flange application. The short pieces of the waterproofing flange must be 3/16 of an inch longer than the width of the tile. The long waterproofing flange piece must be 3/8 of an inch longer than the length of the tile. Cut to adjust if needed. Cut only on the straight edges. Do not cut the factory-made notched ends. Score with a blade and snap to break apart to get a clean cut. The waterproofing flange must be installed along the edges that are set against a wall at 1/4 inch from the top edge of the shower pan base. Butt join the notched side pieces to the back waterproofing flange piece to make a 90-degree joint. Place screws 2 inches from the edges and evenly distribute the rest along the long and short sides. Attach the short flanges, aligning the interior edge of the notch to the edge of the tile. Attach the long flange to the tile. The edges should align to create a 90-degree joint. To adhere the shower pan base to the floor, you may use thin-set or construction adhesive. This video will demonstrate thin-set adhesive application. Apply adhesive along the shower floor and trowel. If you are using construction adhesive, you should apply it in thick beads following a straight pattern. The beads should be spaced 4 to 6 inches apart. It is also recommended to apply adhesive to the back of the shower base to provide proper adhesion to the shower floor. Make sure the back of the product is wiped clean of dust and debris before applying thin-set. Place the shower pan base, applying even pressure. Measure level on flat edges and use a rubber mallet to fix leveling as needed. Complete the drain installation using bath silicone or plumber's putty. Apply painter's tape to protect the shower pan base from silicone excess. Add a silicone bead following the outline of the shower base, including corner joints. Remove silicone excess, ensuring a flushed silicone application. Remove the painter's tape before allowing the silicone to cure. To waterproof between the flange and the backer board, it is important to apply a thick bead of silicone where the top of the flange and the backer board meet. Do not nail or glue the waterproofing flange to the wall, as potential floor setting may create issues with the installation. Protect the shower pan base with cardboard. Allow the adhesive and silicone to cure according to manufacturer specs. Install with wall system or ceramic tile of choice. Let the installation cure for 24 hours before using or installing accessories. Install shower head, valve, and shower doors following manufacturing specs. Complete the installation by removing the protective cardboard and placing the decorative drain plate. When cleaning CASTICO products, do not use abrasive tools or chemicals. Visit homedepot.com/s/CASTICO for additional models, sizes, and finishes.